Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to calculate area within closed polygon using cross-coordinate method on Excel. Okay, let's see the example. Here we have polygon with given coordinates. To find its area we will use the following equation. Okay, for convenience we place north and east coordinates in two columns. Next, we will make column north-east for the first bracket calculations and east-north for the second one. Now we multiply first north coordinate to the second east coordinate. Okay, we should continue calculation in such a diagonal way for all coordinates except the last north coordinate. Therefore, here I will just drag it down, and the last north coordinate will be multiplied to the first east coordinate. Now we move to the next column. So we multiply first east coordinate to the second north coordinate. Then we will proceed diagonal multiply till the last east coordinate, and the last one will be multiplied to the first north coordinate. Now we sum up the northeast column, which gives us summation of first bracket. Next is summation of east-north column, which shows summation value of second bracket. After that, the sum of second bracket is subtracted from the first one, and then gotten value is multiplied to 5/10. And here's the answer. So the area of polygon is 126,291.32 square meters, or just 12.63 hectares. That's it. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I will see you next time. Bye!